On the banks of a flowing river, two villages clash in a bitter feud, each claiming unmatched superiority. The air vibrates with animosity as villagers engage in a fierce argument, their voices echoing across the water, fueled by unwavering pride. An old man with a weathered face watches the escalating conflict, his eyes reflecting a deep-seated sorrow for the division between his people. Months later, a bridge stands incomplete, its severed halves symbolizing the villagers' fractured resolve. Amidst the impasse, Rohan, a young boy, looks on with growing concern, his youthful idealism clashing with the villagers' stubborn defiance. He envisions a future of connection and unity, a stark contrast to the tangible division before him. Beneath the moon's tender glow, Rohan embarks on the formidable task of repairing the bridge alone, his silhouette a testament to unwavering resolve. Each stone and plank becomes a symbol of his Herculean effort, as Rohan's small frame trembles with the weight of his commitment. The gentle murmur of the river blends with the resounding echoes of Rohan's unwavering courage, filling the silent night with a symphony of strength and determination. Days later, Rohan, his face etched with exhaustion, tirelessly continues his work on the bridge. A small group of villagers observes him from a distance, their initial skepticism slowly melting away as admiration flickers in their eyes. Disaster strikes as a section of the bridge gives way with a deafening crack, sending splinters of wood flying. Rohan stumbles, teetering on the edge of the collapsing structure, dangerously close to being swept away by the raging river below. The villagers surge forward, their faces etched with concern. Under the open sky, the villagers unite, their laughter and camaraderie, a symphony of newfound harmony. The bridge stands tall, a symbol of unity and understanding, its timbers resonating with a tale of transformation. A wise old man watches with a knowing smile, his eyes reflecting the dawn of a new era. The magnificent bridge, a testament to unity, stands tall, linking two once divided villages in a symbol of enduring harmony. Villagers from both sides, their faces alight with joy and mutual respect, cross the bridge, weaving a vibrant tapestry of renewed friendship. Rohan, the embodiment of bravery and reconciliation, stands proudly at the heart of the bridge, his courageous act having forged an unbreakable bond. The camera draws back, emphasizing the bridge as an enduring emblem of unity, its strength and beauty echoing the resilience of the human spirit.